Hello students, so let's continue with the MCQs. The first MCQ for today is, how many rectangular surfaces does a glass prism have? Now students, when this is a question, even without looking at the options, we should be able to give the answer, because a glass prism, when we are given a glass prism in the question, we should know it should be triangular glass prism that we are using in the lab for the experiment and for the dispersion purpose. So glass prism or triangular glass prism has top and bottom as triangular in shape, and the lateral surfaces are rectangular, which are 3 in number. So C3 is the correct option because the 3 lateral surfaces are rectangular in shape. Now the next MCQ is, the relation between angle of prism A, angle of deviation D, angle of incidence I, and angle of emergence E in a prism is. Hope your concepts are clear and you know the relation is A plus D is equal to I plus E. Now in some cases, D is represented by delta. Angle of deviation is represented by delta. So you may find the option A plus delta is equal to I plus E. That is also correct. So in this case, it is A plus delta is equal to I plus E. So it should be the A option. Now the next question is, you might have seen magic mirrors in fairs. If you are standing in front of one such mirror, you observe that image of your head is bigger, your middle portion of the body is of the same size, and your legs appear smaller. Then the order of combination for this magic mirror is given from top to bottom. So here the question is related to the magic mirrors that we have in fairs, where when we look into the mirrors, our image looks very odd. You know, head of different size, middle part of body of different size, and legs of different size. And they have mentioned that your head is bigger in size, middle portion is of same size, and legs appear smaller. Then you have to select the combination of the mirrors in this order from top to bottom. We know that bigger size, see, you are standing in front of this mirror and you assume that you are standing very close to the mirror. So your head appears bigger. That is possible only when you are standing in front of a concave mirror. Because when you stand very close to a concave mirror, when an object is placed very close to a concave mirror, virtual erect magnified image is formed. So first mirror should be concave mirror. And as in this case, there is only one option. When we look at the options, there is only one option where we have concave as the first mirror on the top. So C should be the correct option. Now let us just verify the answer. Now second mirror, as our middle portion appears to be same, it should be a plane mirror. So in C option, first is concave, second is plane, and legs appear smaller. Legs appear smaller. We know in case of convex mirror, always the image is virtually erect and diminished. So C is the correct option. Now the next question is, if U is the object distance, V is the image distance, and F is the focal length of a mirror, then the correct formula relating them is, there are 4 options here. We know that the formula which relates U, V and F is the mirror formula, which is 1 over F is 1 over V plus 1 over U. So let us look out for that option because we know the answer. So first and second contains 1 over V minus 1 over U, so they are wrong. C is 1 over U plus 1 over V is equal to 2 by R. Now in this case, yes, we know that F is R by 2. Focal length is half of radius of curvature, as focus lies midway between center of curvature and pole of the mirror. So C is the correct option, but in this case, instead of writing 1 over F, they have written 2 over R. So C is the correct option. It is a different form of mirror formula only, written in a different form. Now the next question is, if U is the object distance, V is the image distance, and F is the focal length of a lens, then the correct formula relating them is, we know it is the formula for a lens which relates U, V and F. So it has to be the lens formula, thin lens formula, which is 1 over f is equal to 1 over v minus 1 over u. And out of the 4 options, A is 1 over v minus 1 over u is equal to 1 over f. So A is the correct option. Now the next question is, a mirror's outer surface is reflecting. So mirror with outer surface reflecting is dash mirror, plane, concave, convex, cylindrical. We know a mirror with outer surface reflecting is a convex mirror. So C is the correct option. Next MCQ is, a lens of focal length 12 cm forms an erect image 3 times the size of an object. So a lens of focal length 12 cm forms an erect image 3 times the size of an object. The distance between the object and the image is. Now in the question it is given that the lens forms erect image, and which is erect and 3 times the size of an object. It means virtual, erect and magnified image is formed. We know it is possible only in case of convex lens, because concave lens gives virtual, erect and diminished images always. So we can take focal length as plus 12 cm and magnification is plus 3. Plus because it is erect image, 3 because image is 3 times the size of an object. So magnification is plus 3. You have to find the distance between the object and image. Read the question properly. Distance between the object and the image is. So let us see a little working here. Now here focal length is plus 12 cm. Magnification is plus 3. So m is v upon u is equal to 3. So v is equal to 3u. After simplification we get v is 3u. Now use the lens formula, 1 over f is 1 over v minus 1 over u, and put the value of f and write u as u and v as 3u. You can either write v in terms of u or u in terms of v as you wish. And simplify this. When you simplify this, you get 1 over 12 is minus 2 upon 3u. And hence u can be calculated to be equal to minus 8 cm. Once you have found u, we know that u is expected to be negative because by sign convention, object always lies on the left hand side. So it is 8 cm away from the optical center of the lens. Now we have to find the distance between the object and the image. So let us find the image distance, v, which is 3u. So putting the value of u, we get v is minus 24 cm. It means object lies at 8 cm distance away from the optical center and image lies at distance 24 cm away from the optical center, with both of them lying on the left hand side because v is negative. So the distance between the object and the image will be 24 minus 8, that is 16 cm. Both of them are lying on the left hand side. Okay, and the image distance and the distance between them is 16 centimeters. So the correct answer is B. B, 16 centimeter. So hope you have understood the MCQ, students. We'll continue with more such MCQs in our next video. Goodbye, students.